there, today we're gonna talk about two-stroke engines. These are engines which we add oil to the fuel mixture instead to a separate compartment, and there are usually sometimes at first when we start to use them we find difficulties in starting them up. So there are different type of mixtures. Always check with the manufacturer. There are 40:1, 25:1, etc. Here we have 20:1 and 20:1 and 40:1 and even 50:1. So you have to check the ratio of oil to petrol. So to start them, it's easy. First thing, we remove from the stop switch, we put it on. This is a strimmer, and I like to, let me find a comfortable position, rest one foot on it with not much pressure. Let me move it a bit here. Okay, I'm resting my foot, just resting. I squeeze the balloon which is under here. 1, the bulb, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I close the choke and just remove the extra rope. This is an extra one till you find tension. So like this, and then we pull. We do it again, and now we just prime it a bit more with the balloon. We open the clutch, the choke, and we are done. I'm gonna shut it off on this, and it was easy as that. Obviously now that it's primed, because the engine started, normally if it's hot we can start it without closing the choke. Let me see, but I don't think it will work. As you saw, I didn't prime it, the choke was open, so the fuel mixture is air and fuel. When we close it like this, it's mostly fuel. So the trick is, first we remove the stop switch. We put a bit of tension with our foot on the pump, prime it. I'm not priming it right now because it's already primed. We don't need to. Put the choke on and remove the tension. A lot of people will go like this, and the spring will skip over. There's a small spring here, and if you give it a lot of if you don't tension it before you start pulling, the spring will jump over its notch, or it will even break over. I'm gonna show you with my water pump also the procedure, so you have an idea. So we have the water pump. This one doesn't have a balloon. The carburetor is different. You have just to open the fuel tank. Here we have the choke, open and close. So we're gonna close it right now. I'm gonna open the top just to release some air, because it still has water in it. That's why I'm gonna start it. If it weren't any water inside, I wouldn't start it. So I'm removing the tension. And I stopped it. As you can see, these are cold starts. They weren't switched on before, but they are all cold starts procedures. This one has been wasn't started in a week, and this trimmer wasn't started in around 4 weeks. So the trick is 1 foot on the base, 1 hand on the support. We close it, the fuel is open, and we don't need to push anything. We close the choke, check the gas lever is a bit medium way. You can open it all the way around, and we just give it a hard pull. We remove the extra rope. You can pull from here straight away, or you get a kickback. Okay, hope you found this video informative. If so, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.